Hello, and welcome back to Pray.Plan.Repeat. This is Chanel. Thank you so much for coming by. So we're going to jump right into this. I'm actually going to be using my mini happy planner this week, and we're going to do a spread for the first week of July. Yay! So this may go up a little late, but so the first week of July, that's when it's going up. So let's get started. All right, so here we go. Here are, I am missing something. Okay, so here are this week's pages. And I'm going to be using some stickers that I've had in my stash for about 3 years. And I came across them as I'm decluttering and clearing out some stuff. So I'm just going to show you what they are. I have these here. I think I picked these up at Walmart a while ago. You may be able to still find these. And then I have these two. I don't remember. Oh, this one's Walmart because it was discounted to 50 cents. So this one has 13 pieces. This one has 28 pieces. So these are like the main stickers I'm going to be using for this spread. I was trying to find some washi tape to match. I really couldn't find any. So I have this red one, this red one here. And then I'm gonna go in with this black and white one. This red one I just picked up at Michael's little, with their little dollar area. This is a loose one. And it was like $3-4 or something like that. So this is the red one. This one here, I think it's by Scott's. Yeah, it's the Scott's brand. So I'm going to be using these two washies. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, you guys, so this is how my spread came out. I just went in and I jotted down some things I needed to put in here, and I'm just going to put it right back into my planner. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of my planner with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I liked how it all came together, and it didn't take me that long to put it all together anyways, because this is a mini happy planner. As you can see, it's probably about the size of my hand, minus the nails. But yeah, I like how it came out. And this is the planner, if you guys are curious which planner it is this one. But yeah, that is my planner. I'm happy with how everything came out. Let me get my clip back here. And then let's pull this one out. And let's put, but yeah, so that is how it came out. If you guys enjoyed it, I'm just going to mark off my page so I know I'm working with this page this week. I'm just going to put that in here. So if you guys enjoyed this plan with me, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please go ahead and consider subscribing. I will be doing a giveaway pretty soon, and I hope you guys participate in it. Make sure you are subscribed and your notification bell is on, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye.